Opening your own jewelry store allows you to showcase beautiful pieces and connect with customers who appreciate fine craftsmanship and design. If you're into jewelry and really want to build a sustainable business using what you're passionate about and what you know about, well then stick with me until the end of this video because I'm going to show you how. Okay? But before we do all that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
my name is Devon. Put on work Burke, the wealth builder himself, for thewealthbuilders.com. That's the Wealth Builders with a Z.com, and the co-owner of the Wealth Builder Solutions, LLC. If you love content like this video and talking about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business, then go ahead, subscribe to this channel and like this video. Okay, here's my step-by-step guide to get you started building your dream jewelry business. Okay, so number one, research and planning. Begin by conducting thorough market research. Look into the demand of jewelry in your area. Identify your target audience and analyze your competition. This will help you understand what type of jewelry to stock and the price range that appeals to your potential customers. Create a solid business plan outlining your goals, your budget, and marketing strategies. Number two, decide on a niche. Consider what kind of jewelry you want to specialize in. It could be high-end jewelry, okay, trendy fashion pieces, handmade artisan designs, vintage or antique jewelry, or even a combination of styles. Finding your niche will help you stand out and attract a specific clientele. Because listen, you can't win this game with a broad paintbrush. You gotta niche down, okay? Number three, legal requirements and registration. Register your business with the appropriate authorities and obtain all the necessary licenses and permits. Choose a business name that reflects your brand identity and check for trademark availability before you do anything else, right? Number four, location, and store setup. Choose a suitable location for your jewelry store. The storefront should be easily accessible to your target customers and have sufficient foot traffic. Consider the store layout and design. It should be visually appealing and create a welcoming atmosphere for your shoppers. Number five, sourcing suppliers. Connect with reliable, reputable jewelry suppliers or manufacturers. Depending on your niche, you may source from wholesalers, local artisans, or partner with established jewelry brands. Do a Google search and also go on Etsy, and you'll be able to find a lot of people that are selling jewelry, and you can sell it on wholesale or consignment. Number six, inventory management. Carefully curate your inventory to offer a diverse and attractive selection of jewelry pieces. Keep track of your stock and be mindful of popular trends and seasonal demands, okay? You gotta base your inventory based around what's going on at that particular season and time of the year. Number seven, branding and marketing. Develop a strong identity, including a logo and store aesthetic, okay, that resonate with your target audience. Build an online presence through a website and social media platforms to showcase your jewelry and engage with potential customers. Invest in both online and offline marketing strategies to increase visibility and foot traffic. Number eight, staffing. You gotta focus on staffing, okay? Hire knowledgeable and friendly staff who can assist customers with their jewelry needs. Good customer service is crucial to jewelry business, and it helps build trust and loyalty with your clientele. Number nine, you gotta be secure, right? You gotta have security. Install adequate security systems to protect your valuable inventory. Jewelry is a high value commodity, and it's essential to take steps to safeguard it from theft and damage. Okay, so you definitely have to make sure there's a camera system somewhere, everywhere really. You gotta make sure you have good security at the front. Like, you gotta be prepared for anything when it comes to jewelry. Number 10, you gotta have a grand opening event, people. Right? Plan on a grand opening event to generate buzz and attract customers to your store. Offer special promotions, discounts, or freebies to entice people to visit and make purchases. That's how you can get that. Number 11, customer engagement. Foster relationships with your customers by providing personalized service and creating a loyalty program. Encourage customer feedback and use it to improve offerings. Also, make sure they sign up to be on your email list, because you want to be able to email these people considerably, constantly. That's so they can come to your shop or buy from your online store. 12, stay updated. Keep yourself updated on the latest jewelry trends, industry news, and customer preferences. Attend trade shows, workshops, and seminars to stay informed and inspired. Okay, you gotta stay in the mix. That's so you can know the Kool-Aid. You dig? Now that you have a good idea of how to start a jewelry store business, you can use this business to build other streams of income inside the jewelry business. That makes sense, right? You don't have to really go outside the jewelry business. You can keep it in-house. All right, so number 1, sell your jewelry online. You can easily sell your jewelry online and make a killing. You set up a website, market that website through ads and things of that nature, and boom, you can start generating sales. Okay, if you need a website, the link is in the description. Number 2, create YouTube videos. You can create how-to videos on how to fix jewelry, or maybe you can do a day in the life of a jewelry store owner. Either way, this is a great aspect and great way to promote your business. Number 3, sell on Amazon. You can sell jewelry online through Amazon FBA, or you can ship from your own location if that's more something you want to do. Remember, starting a jewelry store requires dedication, passion, and hard work. It's going to take time to establish your brand, but with the right approach and commitment, you can create a successful and thriving jewelry business. So, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth of himself, the fun, put in work, Burke. Signing off for how to start a jewelry store business and make multiple streams of income. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.